Staying focused, okay? So make sure you're staying focused. When you're in your clinical rotation, it's not a time to play around. It's not a time to just kind of voodle or whatever. You want to make sure you are in the mindset as if this patient is your patient. So you want to make sure you're going through everything, talking everything through with your preceptor too. They're going to talk the situation, the patient with you. And then obviously, you know, you can reciprocate, give your own opinion, or I mean, whatever it is. But stay focused. Make sure you're allowing yourself to focus on the task at hand. So if you're there doing a head-to-toe assessment, make sure you're focused on that. Make sure you're listening to the lungs. Make sure you're listening to the heart. Making sure you're checking everything you're needing to for any sort of pitting edema or all of that stuff. You want to make sure you're doing all that and you're focused on that, and that you can let your preceptor know they're going to be doing the same thing. So you guys are going to be kind of looking at each other's assessments and making sure you're on the right track, doing their blood pressures and their general vitals you're going to be doing, and letting the nurse know what's going on. So make sure you're really staying focused on these, okay? Because this is the learning experience. You want to have the mindset like this is your patient, and you're going to try to implement everything you've been learning so far in nursing school to this real life hands-on experience. So you want to make sure you're getting the most out of it, because honestly, if you don't, you're not going to get much out of it, and it's just going to be harder for you down the road to understand anything and to put anything together. It's just going to make it more difficult. So make sure you're really focusing and paying attention on all of your patient's needs, making sure you're following instructions, making sure you're following your clinical instructors' instructions as well, because they might be guiding you in certain things that you need to be doing more of, or anything like that, okay? So make sure you guys are focusing on these, okay? It's very important.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed watching that clip and you want to see the full video to it, make sure you guys click the box here. If you enjoy watching these kind of videos and you want to see more videos from the Nurse Kristen YouTube for pre-nursing, nursing student, new grad nurses, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button over here.